boy Javon.
It's your girl Shy Bun, Shy Money in the building.
Yeah. Alright guys, welcome back to our channel, man. As you guys can see, we are doing a video that a subscriber actually recommended to us.
Yep.
And it is called the
One Bite Challenge.
Yes. To be honest, guys, I didn't know about this video until the subscriber recommended us to do a shout out to you. You know what I'm saying?
You know who you are.
You know who you are. So
and if you know who you are, comment in the comment section.
Yes, because you recommended
this video.
You should be the first person that commented on this video. But yeah, guys, let's say, man, I didn't know this video actually exists. You know, I mean, this channel actually exists, so we're gonna do it. You gotta like, comment, subscribe, and
hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video.
Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. You ready? All right, ready. All right, we'll go first.
So, guys, first on the list is
Pop-Tarts.
We have
toasted.
Pop-Tarts.
It's toasted?
It's Toast them.
Oh, toast them Pop-Tarts.
It's the off-brand Pop-Tarts.
Oh.
That's all right. They still taste the same. So.
Also, babe, you want to tell them, if for those who don't know what challenge actually work?
Oh, okay, yeah. So, guys, if y'all don't know about this challenge, we did our research, okay? So, the challenge it's called One Bite Challenge. So, we have to pick an item, and the item that we pick, we can manipulate it so it'll fit inside our mouth, but we cannot start chewing until the whole item is inside our mouths, okay? So, like, we can put this whole thing in our mouth, but we cannot we cannot start chewing until all of it is in our mouth. So, there you go.
Wait, this whole two thing?
Whole tooth? Nah, I'm playing.
Why? Bun up on that. Why? Fire.
Right, give me one.
So, guys, two come in each bag, so she's gonna take one and I take one.
Yeah, give me one. Thank you, boo. Alright, guys, so our first item is a Pop-Tart.
Pop-Tart!
Go ahead, babe.
What are you gonna move for? So you say I can't bite, right?
No.
Simple. It's so simple. wait, it's harder than I thought. Man, you can break it up, right? You can break it up, right? Huh? Oh, okay. I'm not chewing. I'm not chewing. Let's move it over. This ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work.
Uh-oh.
You make me play, man. You make me play.
Oh my god. What the heck? Babe!
What?
I can't do it!
Nigga, what the fuck is he doing?
I'm sorry!
Lock your mouth. Lock your mouth. Lock it. Don't chat. Don't say nothing.
Babe!
Don't say nothing. Shut up. Backside, man. What's country me for and shut up? Don't say nothing. Talk when you do. Come on, split up here, come spawn me. You said shut up. Wrong with you. Shut up. You're my head choke, you know? See back and say, move your bum. Move faster. I'm not peeing, man. That's 1 point for me. You ain't done yet. I bring this back just in case you want to puke. Dang, you're nasty ass, man. You wild. Bro, why you moving the table for?
Cause I gotta get it through it.
You being all extra. This table gonna be lean now. Bro, can you hurry up, bro?
I'm trying.
Alright, guys, she's finally done. After dang near 2-3 minutes, it took you long to eat that crap.
Shut up. It was stuck in my throat.
It was stuck in my throat. It was stuck in my throat. Anyways, guys, that's 1-1. She got hers, I got mine. So now we got something right here. She just was thirsty, so we're doing this one. Let me know what we got.
We have some mandarin oranges. These are my favorite oranges when I get fruit cups. So we're gonna do these mandarin oranges.
So one each, right?
Yep.
Alright.
Ready, steady, go.
I gotta see how I'm gonna do this first though. Why you got mandarin oranges, man?
Cause I love mandarin.
Hey man, take your time. You be wilding out, bro. You can't. What you doing?
Yes, you can drink the juice.
Says who?
Me, shit, I'm thirsty. The fuck? Babe, come on now. I'm thirsty.
Put everything in your mouth, then chew.
The juice is gonna fall. Yeah. Oh, and he's talking about fall. Yeah. Oh, and he's talking about me. And you talking about me. You ain't never ate a fruit cup in your life, huh?
Hell no. Hell no. It was a specific way to open it?
Yes. You rubbing it in the table?
Yeah.
Alright, come on, babe.
Alright, go ahead.
I'm drinking this juice off first.
Why are you cheating, man? This ain't no...
We just can't eat the oranges yet. But drink the juice off because it's going to spill everywhere.
Damn, man. Why is it coming off? Alright. Choke, go on, choke over there. You want some for choke, one? You want some for choke?
I hate you.
Boy.
You're like nasty.
Oh.
I ain't almost had it.
Just like that. Easy does it. Easy. All this. Bro, you like a 2-year-old, bro. Hey. Look out for me. Put them on us. Look on us. Ew! Anybody want to see that? Nose breathing out. Nose breathing out. You alright?
Ooh!
Hey, you got it. Bro, let's swallow that thing. It's soft. You ever hear? This has got all this right here.
What?
It's soft. All you do is make one chew and swallow.
Y'all, he know I don't like spit. He gonna make me spit.
That's your own spit.
I don't care.
What you mean you don't care? I don't care either. Ain't my spit. Hey, me slap it across the throwing it on.
Alright, next round. We need to towel some, baby.
Alright, guys, we're back. We're back. As you guys can see, we got some, what it's called?
This is a cheese Danish.
I don't know about this one, man. So right now it's 2-2, right?
2-2.
Alright. Cheese Danish, whatever it's called.
Danish. Oh my gosh. It's cherry flavor.
Cherry? Oh no, hold that one taste. Guys, I don't know about this. This is a lot of sweet, huh?
It likes.
Man, I don't know about this one, man. If you guys don't know, I don't really mix with sweets like that.
I like somebody coke my shit.
They help you out. Oh, I was about to dive in.
I know you was.
I was diving. I gotta think how I'm gonna do this first. My camera goes up in that 4 pieces. Let me see. Died. This not gonna work, you know. This not gonna work at all.
Shut up.
What are you laughing for, bro? Bro, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Baby girl, it's not gonna work. Oh, I'm gonna do this. I'm broke this in pieces now. It's not gonna work. Yeah, stuff in the mouth. Yeah, choke money like I choke money, the cucumber.
What?
This not gonna work. Bro, this not gonna work. Alright. Wait, you got keys in there?
Mm-hmm. It's clean, baby.
No, boy, I gotta work. Go! What the True. You can't breathe. PG-13.
Nope, I can't do it. We couldn't do that with y'all. Shit, man, that was huge.
Was huge?
Mm-hmm.
Which one?
You think you slick? This is Nick.
Alright, so you failed, I failed. I could have did it, but I started tasting the cheese. I was like, bro, what the frick? I could do that shit, bro. Bro, don't try to play me, bro. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, guys. Y'all see this right here? Well, this is your best friend right here. That ain't my best friend. I can already tell you right now. I gotta see right here. We got this big ass giant pickles. Biggest body pickles, man. Biggest body pickles, man. Man, I don't know who finna eat this pickle, man.
Yeah.
I ain't finna eat this pickle, man. You chocolate this shit, man. You need some mustard in it. She needs some milk.
Shut up, over there.
Alright. I need some WD-40. Yeah, damn. You're a bad boy.
Boy, you so stupid.
Why? Why? We'll be right back after this commercial. I'm fucking giving up!
You an animal, yo. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. We have our pickles. Y'all should have seen the way he was trying to open this container. Oh my gosh.
It was a little challenge. You was a little bad bitch. You was a little bad bitch. You was a bad bitch.
Alright, y'all ready? Y'all ready? You ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Shut up. You so nasty.
Oh, hell no!
Yeah. Don't sit up there wasting. It is not that bad.
Bro, I hate pickle with a passion, bro.
I love this pickle.
I can't even break this shit. Oh, you break these. Wow. Bet how you break these? How you break these?
My nail. I'm breaking with my nail. Damn, squeak out what you say. You never opened a pickle before, did you?
From Buffalo. So them fuckery, yeah. You see this, huh? Rastafari, yeah. John Star, right? You see how them chubby up on Joe? Man, not used to them, so, you know.
English, please.
Brother, man, eat this and what is man? What's that ciggies and ciggies and shit? How kind of batty man thing I come and feed on one of us, man? Hell nah! Bro, I hate pickles, bro. I hate pickles. I can't do this. But I ain't doing this shit, bro. I hate pickles, bro. I ain't even gonna try. I'm gonna vomit. You can't be your own challenge. You can't be your own thing. Ha!
I bit it and all that juice just went straight back.
You lost, huh? She lost too, guys.
Okay.
Alright, guys. So, as you guys can see, the last 2 rounds that didn't go so well. I'm surprised you gave up. But you got to see right here, we got this. Now, who the hell put this shit? Like, bro, bro, how old is going? You know what? Let's jump in this channel. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. Go ahead.
Do not bite it. Bro, this bread look tough as crap. No, don't copy me.
It ain't gonna work.
Well, I won.
I got more, brother.
What? You can't try. Guys, that's it. Oh, God damn, what was that? Woo!
Alright, guys. As you can see, the last 3 rounds didn't go so well, you know, because Dummy and Dumber and Dumbass
But
didn't do so well, you know. So we fell. So the score is still 2-2. So we still got one more. We have to second this. We have to second this. Somebody has to win, you know. So why you got this cake right here? Who picked the last 2 rounds? Now come on,
I picked the 5th.
Like, come on now. Look at the size of this cake. Look at the size of your mouth. Like this, it ain't gonna work. This ain't never gonna work. But you know what? We're gonna try.
Let's go.
You know what? Let's go.
Stop procrastinating. Get to it.
This is what y'all want, bro. 1 bite challenge, bro.
1 bite. Shit.
Y'all ain't doing this video. Yeah, go to all this chocolate.
Damn,
bro.
Bro, this cake is fake.
Like, look at the size of this cake. You stink, bro, my nigga. My nigga. Alright, let's get it, man. Let's get it. We gonna do. Alright, bro, this shit in pieces real quick. Cause this shit, the way this shit look. Whoa, my shit falling off. Alright.
Okay.
I'm not doing it. I'm trying to move around. Hold on.
Okay.
Move a bumble club. I'm not trying. I'm not making it soft. I'm just moving it around in my mouth. It ain't gonna hurt, bro. I can't even swallow this shit. It ain't gonna hurt. What the fuck? Whoa.
Y'all, that was good from the start.
As you guys can see, that didn't go as planned. This challenge is hard. Now that wasn't hard, but who the hell put this big ass bread and this thick ass cake and you still eating it?
I like the icing.
Oh, yeah, you look like an icing. Hey, no, don't do that, man. Don't do that. It's gonna make the place up. It's so hard to clean up.
Ooh.
No.
Why you done? We have to end this video here. So if you like this challenge video we just did, hit that like button. Also comment in the comment section below. Heart emoji, fire emoji. And also hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video.
Stupid ass.
Oh guys, by the way, do y'all like our shirts? It says BB Gang.
BB Gang, yeah. Anyways, guys, we go. Sit to your mom.
I'm about to show them. Damn.
You got some work to do.
Shut up. Okay, guys, y'all see our names on the bag? Ooh, ooh.
You just messed mine up though.
That's alright. You gotta wash it anyways.
You're a whole mess, bro. You was a whole mess,
bro.
You was a whole mess, bro.
Alright, guys. So, yeah, we're about to end this video right here. So, we'll catch y'all in the next video.
Bye.
Peace.
I'm gonna whoop her ass.
Bye-bye.